Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about making ends meet? Do you dream of a life filled with abundance, where money flows effortlessly into your bank account and opportunities abound? If so, then you're in the right place, because today, I'm going to share with you a revolutionary approach to attracting wealth and prosperity like never before. Get ready to say goodbye to poverty and hello to a life of abundance beyond your wildest dreams. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. It's May, and I couldn't be more excited to dive into today's topic. You see, for far too long, the idea of financial abundance has been shrouded in mystery and misconception. We've been led to believe that wealth is reserved for the lucky few or those born into privilege, while the rest of us are left to struggle and scrape by. But what if I told you that this couldn't be further from the truth? What if I told you that each and every one of us has the power to unlock a limitless stream of prosperity, simply by tapping into the boundless energy of the universe? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how it's done. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of ancient rituals, time-tested practices that have been used for centuries to attract wealth, abundance, and success. But before we delve into the specifics, let me share with you a powerful insight. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your reality. Think about it. Your bed isn't just a place to rest your head at night. It's a sanctuary of energy, a portal to the cosmos that holds the potential to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. And it's this profound connection between our surroundings and our well-being that forms the foundation of the rituals we're about to explore. But here's the kicker. These rituals aren't about mysticism or magic. They're rooted in the fundamental principles of mentalism, the idea that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. And believe me when I say that I've seen firsthand the incredible transformations that can occur when we harness the power of our minds to manifest our desires. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of abundance and prosperity? Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny and step into a life of limitless possibility? If so, then grab a pen and paper, because you're not going to want to miss what I'm about to reveal. Goodbye poverty. Hello abundance. It's time to make your dreams a reality. Before we delve into the intricacies of these ancient rituals, let's take a moment to delve deeper into the profound connection between our environment and our well-being. Consider your bed not merely as a place of rest, but as a conduit for energy, an interface that links you directly to the vast cosmos. Picture it as a cosmic antenna, constantly attuned to the frequencies of the universe, receiving and transmitting vibrations that shape our reality in ways both subtle and profound. This understanding is not new. Ancient civilizations grasped this concept with remarkable clarity. Take, for instance, the awe-inspiring pyramids, monolithic structures engineered to harness and amplify energy. While constructing your own pyramid might not be feasible, you can tap into this ancient wisdom by integrating simple yet potent rituals into your nightly routine. However, let's clarify one crucial point. These rituals are not about blindly adhering to instructions. They're about harnessing the immense power of your mind. This principle, known as mentalism, underscores the idea that our thoughts possess the extraordinary capacity to mold our reality. And believe me, I've witnessed firsthand the astonishing transformations that unfold when we align our thoughts with our deepest desires. So, what exactly do these rituals entail, and how can they pave the path to abundance and prosperity? Let's break it down. It begins with assembling a humble array of ingredients: a glass jar, bay leaves, garlic cloves, cinnamon, rice, and a coin. Together, these elements form a potent talisman, a symbolic representation of prosperity that acts as a magnet for abundance in your life. But it's not just about the physical act of assembly. It's about infusing each component with intention and energy. Take a moment to visualize what wealth signifies to you. Is it financial security, freedom, or perhaps something more profound? Whatever it may be, infuse your jar with these intentions, imbuing it with your positive energy and unwavering abundance mindset. Now, let's delve into the symbolism behind each ingredient. The 8 bay leaves represent infinity and boundless abundance, while the 3 garlic cloves serve as guardians, warding off obstacles and ensuring the unimpeded flow of prosperity. Sprinkle in some cinnamon to beckon wealth and good fortune, and don't overlook the significance of the coin, a tangible emblem of your financial aspirations. Once your jar is meticulously assembled, seal it tightly and place it beneath your bed, envisioning it as a radiant beacon that draws prosperity to you as you slumber. But remember, the efficacy of these rituals lies not solely in the physical act, but in the consistency of your thoughts and actions. Continuously affirm your abundance, visualize your goals with unwavering clarity, and witness as the universe conspires to manifest your desires. Yet our journey to abundance doesn't end here. In addition to the jar ritual, there's another potent technique at our disposal: the power of scent. Take a bill, imbue it with your favorite perfume, and carry it with you as a tangible reminder of your financial aspirations. With each inhalation, reaffirm your abundance and witness as the energy of wealth flows effortlessly into your life, transforming your reality in ways you never thought possible. Now that you've unlocked the secrets to abundance and prosperity, it's time to take action. I want to hear from you in the comments below. Are you ready to embrace these rituals and invite wealth into your life? Share your thoughts, experiences, and intentions with our community. Together, we can support each other on this journey to financial freedom and fulfillment. And if you found this video valuable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and loved ones. Let's spread the message of abundance far and wide, empowering others to manifest their dreams and live their best lives. As we bring this journey to a close, remember that the power to create the life of your dreams lies within you. By harnessing the energy of the universe and aligning your thoughts with your desires, you have the ability to attract abundance in all its forms. So keep believing in yourself, keep visualizing your goals, and never lose sight of the incredible potential that resides within you. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, may your life be filled with boundless prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. Goodbye, poverty. Hello, abundance.